Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, sige. Hindi pa to 100% ha yung construction. Pakita ko muna yung harapan. So, single attached dito po sa lower antipolo. Okay. So, pagpasok ko mamaya doon sa loob, videoan ko na lang siya. Discuss ko na ngayon. Price natin dito, 26 million. Okay, 26 million kung gusto niyo ipasunin po niyo sa may likuran. May additional price po. Pero kung ayaw niyo naman, ila-landscape po. Landscape garden. Alright? So sa ground floor, high ceiling yung ating living area. Maganda yung ground floor. High ceiling, living area, dining, kitchen. Then merong malaking bedroom sa may likuran. May sariling toilet and bath. Then service and laundry area, of course. Hindi mawawala. And yung secondary kitchen. Sa second floor, all 3 bedrooms with toilet and bath po. Yung master's bedroom natin may walk-in closet. Alright? Then sa third floor, ayun, yung may balcony. Meron siyang isang malaking room doon. Gusto nyo gawing entertainment area or gusto nyo additional bedroom since may sariling toilet and bath. And yung maid's quarter natin nandun. May sariling toilet and bath din yung ating maid's quarter. And andun yung ating service laundry area. Okay? May another service and laundry area doon. Meron din sa baba, meron din doon. Alright? So sige, papasukin ko na. Ayan, 3 parking space ha. Good for 3 parking space po. So doon yung pedestrian gate. Then dito yung ating ayan, parking space. So dito yung secondary kitchen natin. Okay, wala pa, nagawa pa eh. Ito, powder room. Right. So, nandito yung 3 bedrooms. Unahin ko. Pakita ko muna yung high ceiling. So, dito magkakaroon ng glass yan. Siyempre, may harang yan. So, ito yung high ceiling, yung double height ceiling from living area. Okay, so first bedroom. Okay, tulad na sinabi ko kanina, lahat may private bathroom po. Yung mga bedrooms natin. Okay. Then, yung master's bedroom. Space ng master's bedroom. Then, walk-in closet niya. Actually, laki ng walk-in closet nito. Okay? Then, ito yung kanyang private bathroom. Again, yung space ng master's bedroom. Importante ito para sa inyo. Kayo bibili. So gusto niyo malaking space ng master's bedroom. Tara, at ang third floor. Yung balcony. Ito yung master maid's quarters. Okay? Then, ito yung sariling toilet and bath. And yung laundry and laundry area. Okay. So, yun. Okay, message kayo if interested kayo, ha? Andito yung number namin sa screen. Available yan, mobile, Viber, or WhatsApp. Right? Okay. So, that's it. Again, my name is Vino, Fancy Arizal Properties. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.